Everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to complete an order on InstaCart using bank or debit card. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all, you have to add a payment method. So on the InstaCart website, at the top left, click the three horizontal lines, click account settings, click payment methods, click add next to the payment method you want to add to your account, enter card information and billing address, then click on continue. To add a payment in the InstaCart app, tap the account icon, tap settings, select the payment method. Under the payment methods, tap add next to the payment method you would like to add to your account, enter the card information and billing address, and then tap on save. And that's about it, guys. Once you have added your card or debit card, you can start completing orders using bank or debit card. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.